Thanks to our global and ever-growing data on the exact source of super emitters, down to the level of specific facilities or pieces of equipment, the portal is a powerful tool for journalists. It can help journalists identify and track emissions in their area of focus to underpin successful near and long-term methane coverage. In this video, we will cover what is available on the portal, how to search for the emissions you are looking for, and new notification features when data of interest is added to the portal. Carbon Mapper is a nonprofit organization with a mission to drive greenhouse gas emissions reductions by making methane and carbon dioxide data actionable and accessible. We use remote sensing technology to detect, pinpoint, and quantify methane and carbon dioxide super emitters at the scale of individual facilities, and we make that data available on our public data portal. This information provides businesses and governments the intelligence they need to take action. On our data portal, you can see emission sources by the date they were acquired or published, or you can use the search and filter tools to find specific types of plumes. For example, if you're interested in plumes in Texas, you can type in Texas, then you can narrow in on top sources in the area. Or you can use the search and filter tools to find specific types of plumes. I already have my area of interest filter set to Texas. Now add a date, range, or sector like oil and gas, agriculture, or waste. Also, you can select an instrument. Tanager and Emit are space-based, while the other three are airborne sensors used in various campaigns. Different instruments have different sensitivities and detection limits. This can help you understand the granularity of the emissions detected. Under gas type, I'll select methane. Take a more granular look by choosing a source emission rate. We'll dig into what a source is shortly, but this tells you how much methane is emitted in kilograms per hour. Importantly, you can also look at source persistence. This tells you how often a source is emitting based on how many times it's been observed. Persistence is crucial because it reflects how often a source emits over time. This helps distinguish between one-time events and ongoing emissions that could occur over days, months, or years, and these may have a greater impact on mitigation efforts. This is the source emissions rate, which is an average of each individual emission that has been observed and quantified, multiplied by persistence. You can see methane was detected at this particular source first in 2020 and multiple times in 2024. This tells us it's likely been emitting for a while. A helpful way to think about the scale of these emissions is comparing them to gas-powered cars. Each hour that a source leaks 1,000 kilograms of methane is comparable to driving 6.5 gas-powered cars for a full year. If we include null detects, we can also see times the same source was observed in 2019, but no emissions were detected. We can also identify this as a source in the oil and gas sector. At Carbon Mapper, we are always looking at ways to enhance our data portal. You can keep an eye out for new plumes and data in a specific geographic area by using our saved search feature. This will provide data alerts straight to your inbox. Simply click into filters and select Save Search. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one, which only takes a few minutes. Select a cadence for your alerts and click Save to start receiving emails with new data on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. From here, you can see all the searches you've saved email alerts for, and you can edit or delete them as needed. You can also download all the sources or plumes within the area you've selected. This can be helpful if you need data to analyze trends in a region, compare with other data sets, or better understand the types and persistence of emissions and their impact over time. We hope you use this data as a resource to support your reporting and audience interests. Visit carbonmapper.org for more tools and information, and data.carbonmapper.org to access our data portal and get started. Feel free to reach out to us and speak with a Carbon Mapper expert if you have any questions or would like more detailed instructions on how to navigate our portal.